the Cat.Chat family, and the funny, sneaky cat named Moses on a mission to inspire, educate, and make the Catholic faith come alive for kids. Filmed at EWTN, this DVD series answers your kids' questions like, why go to Mass? What's confession? What are sacraments? Is Jesus truly God? And many more. With solid Catholic teachings, the Cat.Chat family also offers practical tips on prayer and how to live out the Catholic faith. Kids will sing and dance to the well-crafted, catchy songs like Jump In.
I jump in and put my hands together. I look up and give God the okay.
River of Life.
Oh, Lord, I let go. To your river of life, let it flow.
Celebrate Jesus.
To celebrate Jesus and everything He's done for me.
And many more. And then let Moses put a giggle in your kids with his fun and sneaky ways as he goes out on some cool adventures and tries new things. Over 4 hours, 8 episodes of unbelievable faith-filled fun that is sure to penetrate your child's heart, mind, and soul. Let Cat.Chat help catechize your kids. It's fun, it's exciting, it's Catholic, and it's now available on DVD. To order, visit Cat.Chat.ca or call toll-free